In today's how-to, I'll be showing you how to print a mouse mat. First thing you'll need is a flatbed press, swing or a clamp, a pair of heat gloves, some scissors to trim your design, and if you wish, you can use heat tape to affix the design and lock it in place. One of our most highly recommended items is a lint roller. You'll see why this will come in handy shortly. Now, prep your print by trimming every edge. This ensures that there's no loose ink around the edge that may transfer onto your blank. We also recommend oversizing the print so that it goes all the way over the edges of your mouse mat. This will ensure that the full print goes across the full width and height. There'll be no unsightly white bits. Now, onto the lint roller. The reason that this is important is it will remove any dust or debris from the mat. Dust and debris may stop the image from transferring correctly. You might end up with little white specks within the image, and it's not something that we want. Now, with all that prepped, we're ready to move on to pressing. Start by setting your press to 185 degrees for 70 seconds. Pop on your heat gloves whenever operating a heat press, as we don't want to burn our hands. With that done, you can pop the design onto your mouse mat and tape it into place. Pop this onto the bed of the heat press and cover with a PTFE protection sheet. You can now close the press and start the timer. Once your timer hits 0 and the alarm goes off, open the press and remove the PTFE protection sheet. You can then peel the paper from the mouse mat in one swift motion. And here we have our final product, the pressed mouse mat. This image is one of our favourites to show you the difference between what gets printed onto the page and what is the final result. As you can see, the printed image looks really washed out, but what's pressed is fantastic, vivid, rich and deep in colour. Always remember, press the print. Don't worry about what comes out of the printer, it's what you end up with that counts.